All right, so we're here with Chris in Newtown Square and just finishing up the pool house, right?
Yeah, absolutely beautiful job. As you can see behind us, it turned out fantastic. And I reached out to Sherrod to handle all of our audio, video needs, and from start to finish, he was fantastic. Set up Wi-Fi outside by the pool house, so we have a great signal. TV on the wall, sound bar, just really awesome job.
Oh yeah, the outdoor TV.
Yeah.
But I didn't install the pool, unfortunately.
He did not do the pool, so he can't take credit for that. That's okay.
Yeah.
But no, he did an unbelievable job with the audio, video work here at the house.
Well, I think also you had some issues with making phone calls.
So we have a terrible signal out here in this area. And so our Wi-Fi from the house was not going to support this pool area, and it wasn't the strongest signal to begin with. So he really helped us get a much stronger signal in the house, and then also at the pool house with the Wi-Fi extender. It's night and day better from what we had before, and it all ties into the controls of the pool, because everything now is controlled by your phone, by an app on your cell phone with all your pool controls. So if you don't get a good signal out here, it's a disaster to try and take care of your pool on a daily basis. So that was a necessity, and thank God we did it.
Well, I'm glad to be here for you.
Yeah, and this won't be the last time I use Sherrod. There's a lot more things I have in my head of things we want to do, and I know he can also do the cameras outside, which we're going to get into that soon.
Okay.
But yeah, loved working with Sherrod. He was great from start to finish, and highly recommend him.
I'll take it.